And in this lesson, we're going to take a look at Adobe Firefly's text filters and text styles that you can create using AI prompts to generate them. So you can see here, I'm on Adobe's Firefly website. This actually works outside of Photoshop for now, but I think they might introduce that into either Photoshop and Illustrator or other tools. But right now we just have to use the browser app. So just going to close that. Right, so you can see here all the different types of beautifully constructed letters in different. So you can see a P for popcorn there. You can see a bunch of cables there. You can see a toast with the letter A, balloons and the letter B, cookies, I believe, yeah, chocolate chip cookies, a tiger fur with the letter E. So yeah, so we can pretty much do whatever we want. Socks is in the layer of the color of L. So why don't we give one a go? So let's say I don't know, a chocolate in a chocolate powder. Let's see what it brings up. So now obviously it's going to use the word Firefly. Because I haven't actually added any word, I can add whatever word I want here. So we'll let it do its thing, but we'll wait for it for a second. So you can see here, it's done a really nice cocoa kind of, powder, chocolate powder there with the little chocolate bars on top, and it's just put all the letters on top of each other. It's quite nice if you're looking for, to make a branding of, a product and you need it in the certain letters or something. And again, it's giving you different versions. So we can go over here. I'm just going to put maybe one letter, put the letter F in there. And then just going to wait for it to regenerate those images. And again, you can see some different styles. And the good thing about it, in some cases, it actually gives you a nice, where is it, this one? So you can see it gives you a nice little drop of sprinkles and stuff like that. So it doesn't always have to contain inside the letter. It can actually live slightly outside it. So let's say a cat fur. Let's see if it does that in the letter of F. So it's done a nice little cat fur. You can see again, it's extruded outside the borders of the actual letters. And again, we can have different styles. And if you take a look at the right-hand side, you can see a lot more different options for you. Now you can see here you've got the sample prompts, but the text fit, you can see you want it tighter, so it doesn't actually sit outside the text boundaries, or you can want it loose. So if we click on loose, now it's a little bit more outside of the actual font. You can see it's got a lot of stuff outside it, so we're just going to leave it at medium. Font choices, you can have different types of fonts. So let's say I want Poplar, for example, and you can see a nice little F there. And there we go, right? It's beautiful, right? So once it's done, if you're happy with it, you can write whatever word you want in there. So I'm going to say cat, and just let it do its thing. So you got your C there. You're going to give me the A in a second and the T there, and I can just download it. So if I hover over it, I can download that, and then it will just give me the PNG file, right? So it's as simple as that. Now again, like I said, right now the text effects is just on the browser. It's a beta version, but once it comes into Photoshop, again, you can do so many amazing things with it. So that way that we can actually we'll probably use it later on again to make something else. But you can create, posters, banners, and social media promotional material with this kind of things, and I think it's amazing. I think it's got a lot of potential personally. But yeah, this one was a very quick and easy, simple one. Hope you've enjoyed it. Thank you.